In this video, we're gonna look at AWS Cloud9. Most of the time, you can work with AWS services directly through the console, the CLI, or even automation tools. But every now and then, for tasks like debugging code, running quick tests, or visually reviewing what's happening in your AWS environment, you may need something that gives you both a coding workspace and a connection into AWS at the same time. That's where Cloud9 can be handy. Cloud9 is a browser-based integrated development environment, or IDE, that comes preloaded with popular programming languages, the AWS CLI, and common developer tools. It lets you write, run, and debug code while also working directly with your AWS's resources, all without having to install or configure anything locally. You can think of Cloud9 as something similar to using Visual Studio Code or other similar code editors in the cloud. It runs entirely in the browser and is already tied into your AWS environment. Alright, now let's break down what makes Cloud9 interesting and why some developers use it. When you set up a Cloud9 environment, it's powered by an EC2 instance running behind the scenes. To help manage costs, Cloud9 automatically pauses your environment after a period of inactivity, so you're not continuously charged for the compute time that you're not using. The key advantage is that nothing is lost when this auto-hibernation process happens. Your files, project directories, installed extensions, and personal configurations are all preserved the next time you return. Cloud9 brings your workspace back exactly as you left it. Even your custom tweaks and tools remain ready to go, much like opening your laptop after it's been in sleep mode or something, where everything is still in place and ready for you to pick up right where you stopped. Cloud9 supports many of the most programming languages right out of the box, like Python, JavaScript, Ruby, C++, and more. So no matter what type of project you're working on, you'll likely find the tools you need already there. Cloud9 also provides a fully interactive environment where you can both run and debug your code. This is a huge advantage because you don't need to juggle different programs or jump between separate tools. Your editor, terminal, and debugger are all integrated into one workspace. That makes troubleshooting faster and development much smoother. On top of that, since Cloud9 is running on AWS, it comes with the AWS CLI and a wide range of developer tools already pre-configured. That means you can manage your AWS resources directly from the IDE itself, whether that's creating an S3 bucket, deploying an application, or managing EC2 servers. There's no need to spend extra time installing the CLI anywhere, setting up credentials, or downloading supporting tools. Everything is baked right into it and ready to use from day one. Alright, that wraps up our overview of AWS Cloud9. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.